Jitendrabhai Savjibhai Vaghani is an Indian politician associated with Bharatiya Janata Party. He is a member of Legislative Assembly representing Bhavnagar West in Gujarat Legislative Assembly. He was appointed as an Education Minister when Bhupendra Patel became Chief Minister in September 2021. Jitu Vaghani entered electoral politics by unsuccessfully contesting 2007 Gujarat Legislative Assembly election from Bhavnagar Assembly constituency against senior Congress leader Shaktisan Gohal. He lost by margin of over 7,000 votes. In 2012, Vaghani contested from Bhavnagar Assembly seat, and this time he was successful, winning his seat with highest margin in the entire Saurashtra region. In 2017 Gujarat Legislative Assembly election, he got re-elected on the same seat with margin of 27,000 votes. Vaghani was appointed as president of BJP's Gujarat state unit in August 2016 following previous President Vijay Rupani's appointment as Chief Minister of Gujarat. Vaghani was succeeded by Chandrakant Patel as Gujarat BJP president on 20 July 2020. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.